Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing the newest NCT album. I'm really excited about this. I actually pre-ordered albums as well. Those haven't arrived. I ordered these like 3 days ago and they arrived to me today. So hopefully my pre-ordered ones will be shipped out soon as well, because that's a bit weird. Because my 80s albums are still not shipped out as well. So yeah, they better do that soon. Anyways, I do have these because I couldn't wait anymore, so I just ordered some extra copies. So yeah, I ordered the photo book one and Koen's jewel case cover, because Koen is my bias in NCT overall and he's the member I collect. So yeah, let's start off with the photo book version and do the jewel case at the end. Okay, so this is the photo book version. This is the front. This is the back with the track list on it. I really love Beautiful. I'm so happy they released that as the full group song. Love it. And then you got this side, which is NCT 03, because it's the third full group one and universe. And the other side is just blue. And this is a slip cover, so you take it off. I've taken out all the inclusions, and as you can see, it's quite a thick photo book. So let's go through it. I don't really like the spine like this, where you can see the binding. I don't know, it instantly feels more fragile to me, but oh well. Okay, let's go for it. We start off with the tail. I won't be standing still too long with these pictures because there's quite a lot. So if you want to see a picture more clearly, feel free to pause the video. Oh, the Xiaojun eye. So beautiful. The one upside of the spine being that way is now I can fully open the pages and lay it flat without damaging the spine. Put on one like this. I really like the modern vibe to it. Chola. and our IKEA instructions. Okay, what are those gloves? What are those? Some of these outfits I really like, and some of these I find quite questionable. Oh. Yes, side profile, go for it. Also, Utah has been stealing my heart lately, and it's kind of scary. Because my 127 bias used to be Hechan, just Hechan all the way. But he's been stealing my heart. Basically, for NCT, my bias line is China line plus Hechan. Johnny. Yes. Oh my god, yes, full shot. Oh, this page feels so different from this one. You can also see it in the quality. That's... Oh, these are all this way. Okay. Yeah, this is totally not confusing or anything. And then we got the lyrics. Fucking love Universe, honestly. And Miracle. And then the masterpiece, that is beautiful. And then we got the CD. And that was basically it for the photo book. Now let's get into inclusions. I got this folded poster with the full group on it. So that's one. Alright, and then you got these stickers that were members specific as well. Ooh, I got Young Young, nice. Love that. Alright, and then the postcard, and I'm really happy that you can tell who it is by the back. So we got, oh, we got Jeno, nice. It almost looks like photo paper, this postcard. So classy. Okay, and then the most important thing is the photo card that we got. Oh my god, we got Xiaojun. Yes. Oh my god, cute. Alright, that's it for the photo book version. Now let's get into the jewel case one. Alright, so this is the jewel case one, and like I said, I ordered Kunz because he is my main buy in NCT, and I didn't feel the need to collect all 21 jewel cases. So yeah, I just got this one. So this is the front and the back. And let's open it up. So here we got the member photo book. Hopefully I can take it out without damaging the whole thing. Alright. Alright, so this is the front of the photo book and this is the back. And these are basically all his pictures. I'm so freaking happy that he has black hair again. He looks so great. And the credits. So that's it. It's a... And this is the CD. This one has a more simple design than the other one. And it says 2021 all around. Alright. So you have to open up this part. And the photo cards are hidden away behind it. So hopefully it's with the backs down so I can't spoil myself. So let's hope for it. Okay. So I got this thingy as well. If I can get it out properly. Okay, so the stickers are on top. Okay, that's great. Okay, so here we got the little lyric booklet. I wanted to say photo book, but it's not a photo book at all. So there's that. And then you get these little stickers. Okay, and then for the jewel case, you got a photo card and a universe card. And if you're really lucky, you got a special universe card. But there's only been 210 made of, so I don't think I'll get it. Yeah, definitely won't get it. I just checked and I only have 2 cards with me. Anyways, this is the regular photo card, if I'm right, and it is... Ooh, it's Mark! Nice! With the little beret. And then for the universe card, it is Kun! Yay! Okay, so 1 Kun pool. That's nice. Yay! Alright, that was it for today. I hope you guys liked it. I am really happy with the pulls. Hopefully my pre-ordered ones will arrive soon. Let's just... fingers crossed. But anyways, this is the end. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content coming your way. And hopefully I'll see you in the next video. Bye!